Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer your assets from Tonkeeper to OKX. Now, of course, you need to have a Tonkeeper account and you need to have an OKX account. So as you can see here, we are going to use the desktop website and the desktop Chrome extension for Tonkeeper and OKX respectively. And it's very easy. It's pretty much the same thing. You just need a wallet address. So you need to get your OKX wallet address. So how to do this? Of course, you need to go to okx.com. And once you are signed in, all you need to do is click on assets here. And a pop-up will appear. If you hover, you don't need to click. If you click, it's the same thing. And what you want to do is click on deposit, right? And once you're in the deposit screen, you need to select the cryptocurrency or the blockchain, which is our TON, because we are going to transfer from Tonkeeper, right? And the select network, it's going to be just this one. After this, just click OK. And here it is blurred out because privacy reasons. All you need to do is click on the address here, like so. As you can see, it is now copied. And what you want to do next is go to your Tonkeeper wallet, click on send. And here, what you want to do is put the wallet address of your OKX account here. And then you need comment, right? Just put the comment here and then just click continue. It's very straightforward, and there you have it. That's how you do it. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.